Taking pictures of fireworks is an absolute waste of your phone's camera roll. And I was thinking about this because I was thinking about last 4th of July. We were at a friend's pool and we heard fireworks happening. And so we all came outside to the front of the house, and someone nearby was setting off fireworks, beautiful fireworks, actually. And we were all standing there having a moment, and the kids were running, and you could see the wonder in the kids' eyes. In fact, I think I even saw like the fireworks reflected back in Bennett's irises.
That's good.
And I looked at you to have a moment and lock eyes with you and be like, isn't this beautiful? But I couldn't, because your hands and your eyes were on your phone and you were capturing every firework with a photo and a video. And I thought to myself, what in the hellio is this boy gonna do with all these pictures of fireworks on his phone?